Okay, and welcome down to my basement. My little today we've got a besteker camcorder. Can't remember exactly which one. I'll say so in a moment, and it'll be in the title and description. So, when found me a highly rated one, as well as getting me a little micro SD card, and and God bless Amazon, but well, the SD card will be in a couple of weeks, which kind of annoyed, but gotta love it when they say 2-day shipping. Doesn't mean you get it in a couple of days, just means it'll only take 2 days to get to you once it's actually shipped. Namely, this is what I'm hoping to be doing most of my recording for future purposes on. USB cable. Oh, okay. So, little mini USB. So like an HDMI cable, composite cable. Hello. One charger for the battery. A remote control. Two batteries for and some paperwork that looks like it is in a language I do not speak or read. Okay. User manual. Okay, apparently this is a rather old camera, considering the fact it has computer configuration requirements for Windows XP and Vista. But if you're doesn't actually have the model number on it, does it? That's kind of annoying. Oh, sorry. It is the HDV-Z8PLUS. So, yeah, like I said, hopefully this, for all future, will be the camera that I do my YouTube videos on, because then I can actually, put them on the computer, do a little video editing on them. She's a bitty teeny tiny cute. Wow. Battery goes in the bottom there, right with the SD card. Now, okay. Now I've got this guy, which came with the last camera that I received, which was a thank you for working here for 10 years gift from Comcast, which was some cheapo Polaroid, and that thing never worked right. So, nice little 8GB SD card. And I know, I'm supposed to give these guys a little bit of time to charge. And eventually I will. Can I say I've got to play with the new toy as soon as I get it. Alright, so you in there like so. Check. And you in. Let's see, where are your contacts? Voila. Close this up. Nice little screen here. Oh, hey, I didn't even hit the power. Oh, and there we are. Yes, it says busy on it. Let's see, what's the light here? Oh, little flashlight in the front. What do you know? And this one just has a digital zoom on it. There was another model I could have gotten with a physical zoom, but oh, okay. So, pardon my little desk guy here, but hand through loop here. On the back here, you'll see the little record button. Hit record, and it starts recording. Let's see here. Okay. Now let's go to the menu. Is it touchscreen? Yes, it is. Resolution 1080p at 30 frames per second. Oh, there we go. Sorry, papers from the games I'm playing, but right there. No, of course it doesn't. But resolution, AWB, color, exposure. Oh, metering and return. No. There we go. And on top here, have your normal zoom in, zoom out. Hold button. What do you do? This is something while recording. Hit record, push hold. Doesn't seem to stop it or anything. And it looks like in the back here, yep, where you will find the different ports for it. That's pretty cool. And just has a regular mount there. Alright. Well, okay. Shut you off now. Now, after this point of the video, I'm going to go through and I'm going to record a little bit of footage on here and download it all to my computer, try and chop it all together, and hopefully it'll all be one video. Wish me luck. This is kind of attempt number 1 for me, but I'll see you in a few. Well, figured I would come out here and test it out and see how she goes. Not too bad. I mean, the zooms but figure just kind of get some footage of the greenery. And she seems to be working pretty good. Kind of let it run for a couple minutes and can't say I got too many complaints about it. Yeah. Alrighty. Well, I guess it's time to try and edit this whole video together and see how it goes, because it'll be my first time using the photo editing software too, so here we go.